was a ray, I think he'd take off.
No, this is not a ray. I know what rays fight like. It's not a ray. It's either a black sea bass or
a little shark or
halibut.
Shut up. World record halibut. Can you see it? Oh.
Oh shit.
Big one.
Oh, is that a shark or something?
Guitar fish.
Yeah, that's a weird looking. Woo! That thing looked cool though. Dad, what do you got to say about this ginormous fish?
Pretty excited. That Graphite USA rod. Did you see the bend on that thing?
Yes, I did.
What about that reel? What do you think about that reel now? Huh? Okay, we're gonna let it go.
Good job. I love it.
Huh?
I love it.
What'd you say, man?
Look at this, huh?
Yes.
Rusty got us, the captain got us on the fish. Look at that.
Yeah.
Hey, get pictures of Rusty and
Here.
everybody.